Welcome to this tutorial on Geoweaver. In this video, we'll explore how to create and execute workflows in Geoweaver to automate complex analysis pipelines. Let's get started. In Geoweaver, workflows help you organize and orchestrate processes, making it easy to automate data flows and streamline execution. To begin, click on the processes you want to add to the workflow. Next, connect the processes to define their execution order. Hold Shift, then click and drag your mouse from one process to another. This creates a directional flow, ensuring smooth execution. And then, repeat the same. Once your processes are linked, run your workflow by clicking the Run icon at the top. A pop-up will appear. Enter a unique workflow name and description for easy management. Then click on Confirm. You'll be prompted to choose execution settings. Select localhost from the drop-down and pick a suitable environment. Enter your password, which you set up during Geoweaver installation, and click Confirm to start execution. As the workflow runs, keep an eye on the process node colors. Blue means the process is waiting, yellow means the corresponding process is running, green means the process execution is finished, and red means the process execution is failed for some reason. Once every node turns green, congratulations! Your workflow has successfully executed. That's how you create and run workflows in Geoweaver. If you found this tutorial helpful, thanks for watching.